Blue Streak 5509, fly heading 200.
Heading 200, Blue Streak 5509.
Blue Streak 5509, traffic 12 o'clock, opposite direction, 10 miles. A F-35 at 4,000 feet northbound.
All right, negative contact, Blue Streak 5509.
Tabor 31, fly heading 030. Blue Streak 5509er, just heads up that traffic passing below you, flight of 6 F-35s, all at 4,000.
5509, traffic's in sight, too close for missiles, switch to guns.
Hey, that might be the funniest thing I've ever heard in my entire life, man. Tabor 31, flight, climb, maintain, flight level 230. Blue Streak 5509, Norfolk, 9 o'clock at 6 miles.
Airport in sight, 5509.
Blue Streak 5509, contact tower 120.8, have a good day.
Gone to tower, I guess we cleared the visual, Blue Streak 5509.
Sorry about that, clear visual, runway 5, tower 120.8, appreciate you, man.
Roger.